Hey everyone! In this video I'm going to do some one-stroke roses for you. First of all, I'm going to do a coat of CND Shellac Blackpool, and then I'm going to do a second coat just to brighten up the colour. I'm then going to put a matte top coat on top because it's easier for the paints to stick to the matte top coat. And while that's curing, I'm just going to get my gel paints ready. I'm using the Lasente A1 brush, and I'm putting one colour on one end and another colour on the other, and as you can see I'm just going to take the excess paint off before I start painting, and then slowly dragging it across and just making sure all the colour covers. Once you've done the first layer of petals, cure it for 1 minute. You then want to go in with a second coat on top. This will just make the colour pop a bit more. You're then going to cure this layer as well, and you're just going to keep going and adding more and more petals and making sure you keep going over it to make sure the colour's popping. I'm then going to mix up some lighter shades of green and red, which is why you can see the camera shaking, sorry about that. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to outline each leaf and each petal just to give it a little bit of highlighting. I'm then going to seal all that in with the UV gel top coat. And once that's finished, I'm then going to wipe it off with IPA and a lint-free pad to take the inhibition layer off. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you again soon.